Little walk around here of the Preceptor N3 Pup I fly. 40 horse Mosler. Half V-dub configuration. Zenith updraft carburetor in there. Got a good profile. Bought it because heck, it burns 1.8 an hour. 4-stroke. It's no speed demon by any means, and it's definitely not a powerhouse, but it does do what it's supposed to. It flies. Climb rate's about 5. They say 7 to 9. I say 5, maybe 6 on a half tank. And if I eat less Thanksgiving dinner this year. But yeah, I just wanted to share it. I guess I could fire it up for you. Let me grab my stool to set this on. I guess it's not a stool, it's more of a cooler. Good enough. We got some wheel chocks. Should fire right up. I just had it running. Clear prop. Help if I turned it on. Clear prop. Have it. The old Mosler Preceptor N3 Pup.